Hello! What a wonderful day! Here's the dog and I. We're gonna go put some seeds out for the birds who are freezing to death. And I'll show you a little bit what's going on around here. Here's the worst of it. I gotta go through this mess. Knee-deep snow. Come on, dog. Oh, shit. It is knee-deep. No lying about that. Get going there, Hound. Hound's got four-wheel drive, but he's getting stuck in snowdrifts too. Oh, my back door. I want to take 100 years to shovel. Oh, Jesus Christ, look at that. Oh, oh, the birds are my... Wait, to my nuts here. Holy shit. There's the Subaru. I won't be driving her till spring. Oh, there we go, Pat. It's a little shallower here. There's chickadees on my feeder. Look at that. I think I'm top the wood pile. Burr. Brave little bugger, isn't he? Go, chickadee, I'll feed you. Jeez. Fill the feeder up. Make a mess. Lots of birds around today. I'll top it right up. Well, it's filling the ground's no problem because I got a big old pheasant who comes and he eats a mess. Lots of suet. Oh, poor old Subaru. Tons of suet there. You got another feeder here. Oops. These two hands. Nobody much likes this feeder though. Yeah, that's nice. Okay, these little feeder up. Where you going, dog? Come on. Okay, I'm going to show you the effectiveness of our tax-paid plow employees. There's been a lot the last couple of days about how hard they work. And I don't doubt that, because they do have to put in some hours. Hours that are union paid, with fat amounts of overtime. Come on, quick! Oh shit, it's fucking ball deep here too. So, I live on a street called Church Hill. It's a funny little road. It basically goes up this road, around the corner, 100 yards downhill. Nothing to it. My neighbor Fraser lives there. He's in New Glasgow. This is Maple Street. You notice that the goddamn plow guy could do Maple 3 times. Couldn't be bothered to run her up through there. That's a first. He did do a good job of driving the plow into the middle of the road and drive this big hump up. So this is what I got to deal with. The first night it was snowing, he did make a cut up through to the old church. Couldn't be bothered to make the turn. The dog knows where to go. Couldn't be bothered to go around this corner. And down this hill. You see, somebody tried to make a go of it with the four-wheel drive and got stuck. So, that's how much snow we got on the road. So I'm stuck here for almost 3 days now because he couldn't be bothered to do the extra 250 yards. Tax dollars at work. Think about this if you think you should get a corgi. Get that string. String. Ow! You bit my hand. Sorry, dog curl, dog curl. Dog curl. Get a string. Get a string. Get a string. Damn thing's strong. It's like, oh, go. Not very smart though.